Welcome back to Fully Geeking Out. It's Eddie, back with another unboxing. What I have here is the Eagle Leaf Blower and Weed Whacker combo. So let's get into it. Okay. Again, I am investing in the Eagle line of products because supposedly the batteries are interchangeable. If you haven't seen my last video, I'll link it down in the description. It's an unboxing of the Eagle lawn mower. So we have warranty guide. We have another battery. This battery is actually a lot smaller. This is the 2.5 amp battery. The lawn mower has a 7.5 amp. You can see how small this battery is. It is a lot smaller than the Eagle lawn mower. Wow, this is really light. Actually, this is really nice. It has a nice balance. Okay. I see you, Eagle, doing it right. Here's the attachment for the blower. This is a handle. For what, I have no clue. Oh, this is for the weed whacker. Here is the charger. You see this charger a lot different because these tools are using a smaller battery. So different charger. Here's the protective cover for the weed whacker and the weed whacker. Dude, these things are so light. Look at this. Only one hand. Very simple, just open it up. I love the way it collapses, it's dope. Hanging these up with carabiners to the metal overhead storage racks from Smart Racks because they don't weigh nothing. This is outstanding. Okay, get this box out of here. There is the weed whacker and the blower. The cover. The handle. Blower materials. The charger and battery. There you go. That's what's included in that package. Let me know what you think. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you beautiful people in the future.